Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. The link is going to be down below. And if you want to make this purchase, all you got to do is click on it, add it to your cart, and check out now so they can ship it fast to you. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. Don't worry, guys. We'll make it through this crazy times. There we go. And also check on what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. Whoa. This guy's a little tiny dude. Check this out. Definitely might need one of these. Drop you guys down. There we go. Now all the way down. Alrighty. DLP Projector by APEMAN. DLP. M4S is a model number. Enjoy your life with your sight. DLP. Nice packaging. There you go. DLP technology. It says mini pocket size, built-in battery, adjustable brightness. Okay, M4S. Let's crack this open. So if you guys are looking for something for your gaming room, your kids' room, this will be a nice one to stream movies on. Play some video games like retro games, Nintendo, Xbox also, PlayStation. Computers, you gotta get up to like another monitor. So you can do a lot with these projectors. And I think you might be able to take this one outside. Just be careful if it rains. Not enjoyable. But this will be a nice gift to yourself. Making it through this crazy times. Or a nice little housewarming gift. Something to a friend. There we go. Alright, now it's time for the goodies. Okay, this is what you get. Hello. Hello. There's the user manual. Put that right there. Not going to need it. Easy to set up. Might need a tripod. I think they do sell tripods also, so might want to pick up a tripod unless there's one in here. I'm not too sure. First time doing this one for the DLP, so should be exciting. Oh, come on. I don't want to close it. We'll keep it like that. Box of goodies, the accessories, all that good stuff. Oh, it does come with a tripod. Bonus. Not too often you see that. Look at this little tripod guy. Boom. Oh, that's pretty cool. Boom, boom, boom. Get a tripod. Get the HDMI cable. Ooh, baby. Oops. HDMI, this is a pretty nice sized one. Just to set up whatever you're streaming, like a Fire Stick. You can always get those 4K ones and be alright. This is a decent size, end to end. So get that, USB for the power. Here's a power thingy. And it's gotta go. Boom, boom, boom. We'll definitely go downstairs to give this a test run. But I don't think I could show too much of the... Oh, for gaming I could. But movies I can't. So if you want to see the movie, how they look, it'll be on my Instagram. Because that won't get copyrighted. But on here it might. So I don't want to take the risk. But if you want to see the quality of the movie, definitely check out my Instagram. It'll be posted up later on today. Make sure you take the plastic off. And there we go. That's what it looks like. USB goes there. Take this, stick it in. Bada boom. Now here she is. The M4S DLP mini portable projector. Ooh, baby. Look at this sleek black. Jet black, I would say. Ooh, baby. Nice. There's the back side. We got DC plug. It got it just pretty simple. Take this side, plug it in. Bam. And you stick the HDMI there. I'm not going to be able to use it because I got the Fire Stick, or I'm going to hook up one of the NES Mini or Sega Mini, one of those guys. I'll hook up, test run it. USB, audio. Whoa, there's a light. Look at that. These must be the speakers or the fan. Oh, plus it comes with a little kickstand. That's pretty cool. You could project your Twitch meetings or Zoom meetings like that. You could do that. Teleconference. Whoa. Look how clear that is already. But we're going to definitely go on the big screen. But you can hear it. Kind of can see it through there. There's the front. Got the LED light up right here. It's supposed to be the controls. Okay, you can switch. Volume. Yeah, see no signal, but yeah, we're definitely gonna hook this up. I don't think there's a... My tripod's drunk. Uh-oh. Sorry about that. My tripod's acting a little drunk, but so far nice. And then the kickstand is close it back up. Take the tripod, fold it. See, the light's pretty bright. Wait a minute, how's this powered on without being powered? That is pretty trippy. Look at this. It's not even plugged in. Whoa. That is pretty nifty. There's a little tripod. Drop it down to that level. Oh yeah, we'll do some good review downstairs on the big screen. So, but that's crazy. Not even plugged in, and we got juice. Yeah, it's cool. You probably just charge it up and then probably get a few hours, enough to like watch a movie or two. But you can see it's pretty good. You can see the blue 8-man DLP projector. Alright guys, we'll be downstairs in a few. Alrighty YouTubers, we got it set up now downstairs. Really clear picture guys. Really impressed. Sounds great so far. I'm running the Sega Genesis Retro Mini console on it. And really impressed with this guys. So this might be a good one to get for a gaming system. PS3, PS4 and above. Or like I said, an extra computer monitor. I'm going to have to test that out in a few. But that's RC Pro Ham. Here's the box. That's the little guy. That's the model. And like I said, I'll have the link down below for that one. And here she is. 8-man. Super quiet. And I'm charging it right now. I got the power plugged in. So, well, look at that. Well, I got to adjust the screen size or figure out. But right there, it looks really good. Oops. Just close up. And now we're right at the table. So I mean, you don't have to have a screen, just like a white wall or like a tapestry or something, or just the wall. Because when you point it at the ceiling, that's what it looks like on the ceiling. I don't know if you guys can see that, but right there. And on here, this is the screen adjuster. See it moving? You can adjust it the way you want it. It is touch sensitive, so the volume, if you guys can see it, it's going to be down here. So there's volume, and here the side is the power. Right here, the silver buttons right there. Hold it for a couple seconds and it shuts off. And right here on this side is like the zoom. But there we go. Let it play for a few more seconds to show you guys different visuals of it. But if you guys want to see like a movie, I'll have it on Instagram for a few seconds. So, but for video games, amazing. I'm sure it's gonna look really good on the Fire Stick or Mirrorcast. You could use pretty much everything. So just go ahead and read the instruction booklet and set it up the way you want it. But for gaming, it's gonna be perfect for me with this. To have a good backup also. It's portable, lightweight. Definitely doesn't take any room up. Pocket size. And I do believe it is waterproof, so you could probably take it outside for like a movie night with your neighbors or your family. See, that looks really good. Bam. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Check them out. 8-man DLP projector, mini portable. Get one out at a low cost. And you guys be safe. Have a great night. And see you guys soon.